Foot rot is one of the greatest hoof disease that can cause lameness and loss of lives of animals. In this video, we'll be talking about foot rot, the causes of foot rot, the prevention and cure. You know how difficult it is when you have an animal that is very difficult for that animal to stand up and eat. One of the greatest causes of this thing is a disease called foot rot. In this video, we will break down what causes foot rot, how to treat it, and most importantly, how to prevent it from getting into your pen. Foot rot is a disease caused by two primary bacteria that lives in wet, muddy, moist, and dirty environments, and most especially in manure. Diet deficiency in nutrients like biotin, zinc, and calcium can lead to weak hoofs that are prone to damage and slower to heal. If you spot a lame pig, time is critical. The deeper the infection goes, the harder it is to treat. So here are some of the steps to take. The first step is to move the pig to a clean, dry, comfortable sick pen. This prevents further injury and stops the pig from being trampled or bullied by other animals. The second step is clean and topical treatment. Restrain the pig safely. Thoroughly clean the affected foot with warm water and a disinfectant. Then apply a topical antibiotic spray or powder directly to the infected area. Step 3. Systemic antibiotics. This is non-negotiable. The infection is deep. You need antibiotics that work from the inside out. You must consult your veterinarian for a correct diagnosis and prescription. Common choices include penicillin or oxytetracycline, given for 5 to 7 days. Do not skip the full course. Step 4. Pain management. This is a painful condition. Talk to your vet about an anti-inflammatory like meloxicam. Relieving the pain helps the pig eat, drink, and start bearing weight again, which is vital for recovery. In severe cases where the infection has reached the bone, the prognosis is poor, and the most humane option is often culling, which means to eliminate the infected pig. This is why early action is so important. How to prevent foot rot? Treatment is a reactive measure. Prevention is a proactive strategy, and it is far more effective and economical. Number 1. Manage moisture. This is your top priority. Ensure your pens are well drained. Fix leaky waterers immediately. Provide plenty of dry, clean bedding, because a dry environment is the strongest barrier against foot rot. Number 2. Floor maintenance. Repair rough, sharp, or cracked concrete floor to minimize hoof abrasion and injuries. Number 3. Optimize nutrition. Work with your nutritionist to ensure diet contain adequate level of biotin, zinc, and calcium to promote strong, resilient hoof health. Number 4. Foot bath. For high traffic areas where loads of people come into the pen, a foot bath with a 10% of zinc sulfate solution can help reduce loads of bacteria in the pen. Ultimately, foot rot is a disease that can be managed. By focusing on dry bedding, clean condition, proper nutrition, and prompt action, you can prevent the vast majority of cases. So in a nutshell, foot rot disease is caused by two primary bacteria who feed on the manure of an animal. They can't survive in the presence of an oxygen. They are only present where there is muddy, wet, and dirty area. To treat an animal with foot rot, you first of all disinfect the hooves, and you treat the animal with an antibiotics like penicillin or oxytetracycline for 5 to 7 days. This is very important. Make sure you don't skip the part of treating for 5 to 7 complete days. To prevent foot rot from getting into your pen, make sure your pen is dry, neat, and always clean. And also make sure their feed contains balanced diet. Deficiency in key nutrients like biotin, zinc, and calcium can make the hoofs weak and slower to heal. If you found this guide helpful, please share it with other farmers Spreading knowledge is how we build more resilient and successful farms. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe and share. Also turn on your post notification bell so that you get notified whenever we post another helpful video like this.